Hello, Mad Ant 250 here with a different kind of video. I bought some stuff off of Shapeways. Very nice. These are control arms. Oop, focus, you dang camera. These are control arms for Tamiya Hornet, designed by AMPro Engineering. And I have to say, the design is pretty darn good. Focus. There we go. Got these nice gussets over here for added strength, and they are really strong. A little bit of flex here, but pretty darn strong. If I try squeezing this way, it's pretty dang strong. Pretty dang strong. Even these. By the way, this little rib going across here makes a lot of difference in the strength. See, it's very not a whole lot of flex going down. Why this camera seems to be going out of focus. Come on. I'm really impressed with these parts. I can't wait to put them on the car. Really nice. Really nice feel. I do have to drill the holes out though. I did that on one arm. I drilled the hole. I drilled this one partially just because I wanted the pin to fit a little more snug. But I will be clear coating these before I drill the rest of the holes. But these are really nice. Here, bring it close here. Come on, focus. Really nice, really strong. Even these, the C-hubs, really, see? Try to bend this a little. Really strong. Wow. Now this may seem kind of weak, but once you get this mounted, going out of focus again. Once you get this mounted in the car, you're only going to have, this much here to bite onto, and it's not going to move a whole lot. That's going to be pretty good. This will be plenty of strong. Okay. Time to clear coat. Oh, god dang it. Focus again. There we go. Time to clear coat them with automotive lacquer. Why? Because that's what I have. Thanks for watching.